Okay, this is lot number G629 in our August 3rd, 2022 auction. This is All City Auctioneers, and we use an online auction site called bcsurplus.com. I just got to walk over here quickly to get to the item. Here we go. Here we got a John Deere Gator. Dump body has been removed. This is an electric drive system. Needs repairs. So the drive system needs repairs. Actually, you can see, it looks like there's a little bit of smoke there coming out. So not really sure there. But if you look right down here in this corner, you can kind of see some ball bearings. I don't know, they're right in that area, right there. So there's something wrong with the drive system. It does drive forward and backward. I will put it in gear and just let you hear kind of what it sounds like. So it's an electric system. It's a 2010. 3,000, let me see, what do we got here? 3,640 hours. The dump system does work. Let me turn the key on. So batteries seem to be pretty good. There's 8 of them there. 3, 6, 7, 8 batteries, 8 6-volt batteries. So I'm just going to put it in gear so you can kind of hear. Listen. Gives you an idea what it sounds like. I'm going to put it in reverse. Yeah, okay. Not going to roll backwards. So this thing definitely needs some repairs, but batteries seem to be good. Drive system, tires are good. Drive system. So John Deere Gator, selling at the auction. Highest bid wins. Oh, look at that! When they took the dump body off, they cut the tab. So. Selling to the highest bidder on August the 3rd, 2022. We are All City Auctioneers. We're located in Langley, British Columbia. And the item you're bidding on sells to the highest bid. There you go. If you're the high bidder, you are the winner. And this one here could be another buy-by auction. Thank you very much.